Racing just is started. We have Red Heroin. Break quickly restart. Moving party outside. Crisis give for Ever Young Al Sapira. Biodata comes next. Majestic Win. Magalang is on the outside. Then comes J. Alskaday Warhawk. Next online now is Pagating while Capable is the early trailer by about 20 lengths up the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Crisis Gip. This is why we followed. If we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length and a half lead for Ever Young in second. Magalang, then comes Red Heroin. Moving a party out, that is a Warhawk. Then next online, Yay Alskaday. Biodata is running by the rail. Then next online now is Majestic Win. Al Sapira Padating while Capable is still racing in 11th. And at the fourth turn we have Crisis Gip. Warhawk now in second. Moving a party out, that is Magalang. Biodata, Yay Alskaday. Last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Warhawk with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths over number 6 Crisis Gip as they swing for home. Warhawk by about 3 lengths now, and in second is Crisis Gip. Magalang, Biodata, Yay Alskaday. Last 75 meters, Warhawk followed by Crisis Gip, and finally Warhawk as the curtain closer. Crisis Gip, Biodata, then comes Magalang, Yay Alskaday, Red Heroin for your Super 6.
Prueba direct. Iyon. 1-3